it. So on this page, in the first paragraph, towards the end of that paragraph, if you can see on your screen, it's written that the earliest form of the Sanskritized form Yavana can be traced in the Ashtadhyaya of Panini. That was written in the 5th century BC. Okay, 5th century BC. Again, if you had to imagine that time scale from 2025, go in reverse up until to the point of 0. Then again go back 5 years. That is the time when Panini wrote Ashtadhyayi. Ashtadhyayi is a text, okay, that theorizes and explains the grammar of Sanskrit or Sanskrit language. He was the one who regulated the language. That is what it is said. Compiled everything and regulated it. And that of the Prakrit from Yona in the inscription of Ashok. Okay, when the inscriptions of Ashok mentions Yavana, that is the Greeks. And towards the end of this page, as you can see, Yona subjects of Ashoka referred to in his own records. So the records of Ashoka himself referred to them as Yavanas, as well as his viceroy of Saurashtra, who was a Yavana prince, according to an inscription in the middle of the 2nd century AD, appear to have been inhabitants of the district round. It's on the next page, I'm reading it for you. District round Alexandria near Kabul, which is often mentioned in the Pali literature as the Dvipa or the Doab of Alasanda. Okay, so here even Ashoka mentions during 2nd century AD. So now we have reached the point of 2. So from 2025, go back to the point of 0, then again move forward 2 years. That is where you reached 2nd century AD. So in 2nd century AD, Ashoka engraved some stones, and in those stones you can find references to Yavanas. So we have established Yavanas were Greek rulers. So one of the inscriptions of the 2nd century AD mentions that there were some Greek kings in the current day Kabul, that is the capital of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Okay, so there were some Greek rulers over there.